Hey everyone, it's Chris from HeatPress Nation, and today I want to talk to you about our budget-friendly MPRESS Mug Press. Now, at the time of this video, this machine is just over $200. Now, I know it can be scary shopping for the lowest price item on the market. However, let me assure you that this MPRESS Mug Press is reliable, durable, and can also last you for a very long time. This mug press has a very robust and solid build, and it's just absolutely chef's kiss. I mean, once you get your hands on it, you can just tell that it's very solid and durable and it's gonna last you for ages. This MPRESS has a full bleed heating element that covers both 11 and 15 ounce sublimation mugs. It can also cover other drinkware up to 3¼ inch diameter. It's easy to operate thanks to its 2-knob pressure adjustment as well as its full bleed heating element. And of course, we can't forget about the fully digital time and temperature gauge, which is super easy to use. Now, who is this mug press for? Well, to be honest, I'm a beginner and it was very simple and easy for me to use. It didn't have anything that I didn't need, and it was a great starter's machine. Not to mention the price point of just over $200, the value is unbeatable. Now, the most important thing that comes with this purchase is the 1-year warranty and full access to our My Expert support team that works around the clock to solve your issues should they arise. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, that support, it's lifetime. If you are interested in this MPRESS Mug Press, you can find it at heatpressnation.com.